Alright, this right here is the Relarlo XTS S10 rally car. Definitely not a Subaru. It is a good looking car. Look at when I turn, it has blinkers that come on. It has working lights. And then it's got working reverse lights as well. You see that? They come on. And then it also shoots out flames. But it's hard to record with one hand, but this thing can do donuts like no other. Jeez. Luckily, the controller does have an option for one-handed driving if you want. It's just hard to keep the car in frame because it's pretty fast. Oh, jeez. I promise you I'm not this bad at driving normally. I just don't normally record at the same time. This thing's sick.